Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our maths class. Here, I am Sajini John, your maths teacher. This is the continuation of the chapter Solving Problems on Quadratic Equation. Okay, now let's start exercise 6C. Second question. First question is homework and second question, I'll read the question. If the speed of a car is increased by 10 km per hour, it takes 18 minutes less to cover a distance of 36 km. Find the speed of the car. In this question, we are going to find the speed of the car. So we can start. Let the speed of the car be x. X kilometer per hour. We can write x kilometer per hour. Okay. And once again you have to read the question. If the speed of the car is increased by 10 km per hour, it takes 18 minutes less to cover a distance of 36 km. Therefore, distance covered, that is given 36 km. Okay. Now, we can find time taken to cover 36 km. We know time is equal to distance divided by speed, that we have learned in earlier classes. So, we can write time taken to cover 36 km is 36 km divided by x kilometer per hour. So, we get the result 36 by x hours, time taken to cover 36 km. And if the speed of a car is increased by 10 km, now we can write the new speed. What is the new speed or increased speed? That is, original speed is x km per hour and increased speed is x plus 10 km per hour. Okay, now we can find time taken to cover 36 km in x plus 10 km per hour at a speed of x plus 10 km per hour. That is 36 by x plus 10 hours. Distance divided by speed. Now, at this time, the car will take 18 minutes less. Therefore, we can convert that 18 minutes into hours because this is in hours, this also in hours. So, we can convert 18 minutes into hours. And now, you can connect these three time. Okay. Therefore, we get, remember the previous questions and you can connect. That is 36 by x minus 36 by x plus 10 equal to 18 by 60. Simplify. You can take 36 outside from the left side and simplify the bracket also. Taking LCM and you can simplify. Now you can transpose this 36 to the right side. Okay. And simplify this bracket. And you can do it. And now we get 1200. On transposing 120 to the left side, you will get 1200 is equal to x into x plus 10, which is equal to x square plus 10x. Arrange it properly. Then x square plus 10x minus 1200 is equal to 0. You can use product and sum as usual. Product and sum method. Product and sum method. Product is equal to minus 1200. Sum is 10. And split the middle term as usual. Two numbers. whose product is 1200 and sum is 10. The numbers are 40 and minus 30. Therefore, we get the factors are x plus 40 and x minus 30. That is x plus 40 equal to 0 or x minus 30 equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 40 or x is equal to 30. The speed of a car will not be a negative number. Therefore, we can ignore this, or this is not possible. Therefore, speed of the car is 30 km per hour. Okay. Question number 3 and 4 homework. Do fifth one. A girl goes to her friend's house which is at a distance of 12 km. She covers half of the distance at a speed of x km per hour and the remaining distance at a speed of x plus 2 km per hour. If she takes 2 hours 30 minutes to cover the whole distance, find x. So, the girl takes 2 hours 30 minutes, that is 2.5 hours to cover this 12 km. Okay, total distance covered is 12 km. Okay, half of the distance she covers at a speed of x km per hour. Therefore, we can find time taken to cover 6 km. That is half of this 6 km at a speed of x km per hour. That is distance, time is equal to distance divided by speed. So, it is 6 by x. And the next half, time taken to cover next half, that is next 6 kilometers at x plus 2 km per hour. That is, it is obviously 6 by x plus 2 hours. And total time taken, that is already given, that is 2 hours 30 minutes. Total time taken is 2 hours 30 minutes. That is 5 by 2 hours. Now you can connect these three things. These three time. We know this is very easy. Just add these two. Total time taken is 5 by 2 hours. Therefore, 6 by x plus 6 by x plus 2 equal to 5 by 2. In this way, we can form an equation. Okay. Now, you can solve this equation. Take common factor outside. And as usual, you can solve. Solve this equation by yourself. Now, next question. Question number 8. A man bought an article for rupees X and sold it for rupees 60. If his loss was X%, find the cost price of the article. Okay. A man bought an article for rupees X. So, that is the cost price of the article. Here in this question, we want to find X. Now, we can write the given things. Cost price is given, that is rupees X. That is the unknown value. Selling price is rupees 16 and loss percentage is X percentage. These things are given. Now, from here, we can find loss. That we already learned that loss is equal to cost price. When cost price is greater than selling price, there is loss. Therefore, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Okay. In this question, what is loss? That is x minus 60. And we know the formula. Loss percent is equal to, do you remember that formula? Gain percent or profit percent and loss percent. Profit percent is equal to profit by CP into 100%. Loss percent is equal to loss by CP into 100%. And once again I remind you, loss and profit or loss percent and profit percent is calculated on cost price. Okay. So, write that formula. and substitute the values. Loss percentage is X percentage. Here X by 16, that is loss by CP is X into 100%. We can cancel this percentage sign and you can simplify. You will get a quadratic equation and you can solve this quadratic equation using product and sum method. And at last you can see product is 1600, sum is minus 100. Two numbers are minus 80 and minus 20. So you will get, when you solve this, you will get x minus 80 into x minus 20 equal to 0. Here you can see two positive values. X is equal to 80 or x is equal to 20. These two values are possible in this question because if you consider cost price is rupees 80, loss percentage is 80%. If cost price is 20, rupees 20, loss percentage is also 20%. You can check whether this answer is correct or not. Okay. Two more questions are there in this exercise, that is homework. Okay, and now we can start next exercise. First two simple questions you can do as homework, and next question, question number 3. The product of the digits of a 2-digit number is 24. If its unit digit exceeds twice the tens digit by 2, find the number. Okay, that is the question. So read questions at least 2 times. And you have to look what is given and what is to be found out. Here we want to find number, but the relation between tens digit and unit digit are given. Therefore, let's consider tens digit number be x and the relation between unit digit and tens digit, that is unit digit is 2x plus 2, and one thing is given, the product of these two digits is 24. Therefore, write product form these two, that is x into 2x plus 2 equal to 24. Open this bracket. 2x square plus 2x is equal to 24. You can take 2 outside, and at last you will get a quadratic equation x square plus x minus 12 equal to 0. Here also you can use product and sum method. Product is equal to minus 12 and sum is equal to 1. Two numbers are 4 and minus 3. Therefore, the factors are x plus 4 into x minus 3 equal to 0. That is x is equal to minus 4 or x is equal to 3. We can ignore this minus 4. Therefore, tens digit is 3. Look here, tens digit 3, and you can find unit digit. Substitute value of x here, 3 here, 3 into 2, 6 plus 2, 8. Therefore, the number is, here there is tens digit, this is unit digit. Therefore, the number is 38. Okay. Now, fourth question homework, fifth one. 1 year ago, a man was 8 times as old as his son. Now his age is equal to the square of his son's age. Find their present ages. Let's start. Let present age of son be x. And now man's age is equal to the square of his son's age. Therefore, present age of man is, that father is x square. Now we can write what was their ages 1 year ago. So we can write 1 year ago son's age is x minus 1. Then what was father's age? That is also x square minus 1, right? Then what is the relation between these two? That statement is given in that question. A man was 8 times old as his son. A man was 8 times as old as his son. So you can make an equation x square minus 1 equal to 8 into x minus 1. Simplify this equation. Then you will get a quadratic equation x square minus 8x plus 7 equal to 0. That is x minus 7 into x minus 1 equal to 0. That is x is equal to 7 or x is equal to 1. We can check whether this x minus 1 is possible or not. X is equal to 1 is possible or not. You just look here. Present age of son be x. If x is equal to 1, present age of son is 1. It's okay. But what is the present age of father? 1 square, that is 1 itself. That means age of son is 1, age of father is 1. Is it possible? No. We know that value is not possible. We can consider only this 7. In this way you can check your answer is correct or not. Now we can write present age of son 7 years and the present age of father 7 square, that is 49 years. Now we can do one more question from this exercise. The remaining questions homework. Okay. Now the question is rupees 250 is divided equally among a certain number of children. If there were 25 children more, each would have received 50 paise less. Find the number of children. Let's start. Let number of children be x. This is to be found out. Number of children. Okay. Total amount is rupees 250. 250 is divided equally among a certain number of children. Certain number of children x. Now we can find amount each one gets. That is total amount divided by number of children. That is 250 by x. And it is given if there were 25 children more. Therefore, new number of children, or when number of children increased to x plus 25, each one gets 250 by x plus 25. And the difference of these two is 50 paise. That already given. That is given 50 paise. You can convert this 50 paise into rupees. That is 50 by 100. Now you can connect these three things. When number of children increases, amount decreases. Right? Therefore, we can connect these three in this way. 250 by x minus 250 by x plus 25 equal to 50 by 100. That is 1 by 2. You can solve it. That is, you can take 250 outside and simplify this bracket. Take LCM and simplify. You can see the steps. At last, you will get a quadratic equation. X square plus 25x minus 12,500 is equal to 0. You can use product and sum method. Product is minus 12,500, sum is 25. The two numbers are 125 and minus 100. Then the factors becomes x plus 25 into x minus 100 equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 125 or x is equal to 100. The number of children will not be negative, so we can ignore negative 125. Therefore, required number of children is 100. Okay, so in this way you can form an equation using the given statement. Once again, I remind you, for solving a word problem based on quadratic equation, the following steps are important. That is, represent the unknown quantity by a variable x and translate the given statement to form an equation in terms of x, that is a quadratic equation, and solve the equation as usual. Okay, you can do some board questions in exercise 6e. Do that board questions in this method and solve it. Thank you.